Here are a couple ways that you can improve the air quality in your home. Number one is you can try getting yourself some better filtration devices in your home. Number one is I would go with a much higher MERV rated filter. You're probably asking yourself, what is a MERV rating filter? Well, each filter has a MERV rating to it. You can go as low as 5 all the way to as high as 20 MERV rating. The higher the MERV rating, the better quality that you are putting into your home for a filter. I would highly recommend to get one of those and put them in your home. 16 is your most common MERV rated filters that are high efficiency. They're a little bit more expensive, but you think about it, is your health worth it? Is it worth the cost? Absolutely is. Another thing you can do is get yourself some UV lights. If you can't put UV lights into your current system, what you can do is go to your local Home Depot stores or department stores, Walmart, Targets, things like that, and get yourself one of those portable UV lights that they sell that you can put them inside each room individually. Those will and can kill the bacteria in the air or before it even grows and gets worse. Another thing is cleaning your ductwork is another thing that you can do to prevent that. Lastly is when you get an AC maintenance done to your home, ask the technician, hey, what can I do to improve the air quality in my home? He or she's going to explain to you, hey, you know what you should be doing is sanitizing your coil. That's another good reason that you should be getting better air quality. Cleaning your filters, cleaning your coils, getting UV lights, humidifiers, these are all great things to have in your home for better air quality.